Two Birds Together by Tony
and Colin Hoya. Give me my food, then I will make a mess.
May I have my food? I'm a good eater.
I love walking on shoulders. It's totally awesome.
I like to climb on my cage. It's fun.
I just play on the swing to tease Sarah.
I love to play with my bell toy because I love the sound it makes.
I just wish I had someone to talk to.
I'm just prettier than Hockey.
I love all attention, so kiss me.
I love you because you will always protect me.
Sarah, I love you.
Yeah, I hate you. And that's the story of Two Birds Together by Tony
and Colin.